If life feels heavy right now, like a weight you've been carrying for just a little too long, it may not be asking you to push harder. It may not be a sign that you need to find more strength. Instead, it may be a quiet, persistent invitation to slow down, to release the frantic urgency that tells you to keep going at all costs. There are seasons when everything feels loud, the endless to-do lists, the expectations of others, the relentless churn of your own thoughts and emotions. It's a noise that can drown out your own inner voice. In these moments, our instinct is to move faster, to do more, to try and fix everything at once, believing that if we just run hard enough, we can outpace the overwhelm. But often, true healing doesn't happen in frantic movement. It doesn't arrive in the rush. It happens in the quiet pockets of stillness we create for ourselves. It's found in the deliberate pause. Slowing down allows your nervous system to finally breathe. Feel your feet on the ground. Take one conscious inhale and a long, slow exhale. This simple act is a powerful anchor in the storm. It gives your heart the quiet space it needs to speak again, to whisper what it truly needs beyond the noise of obligation. You do not fall behind by resting. This is a myth born from a culture of perpetual motion. You realign. You recalibrate your inner compass, finding your true north again, not by pushing forward, but by coming home to yourself. So today, give yourself permission to move gently. Let your actions be intentional, not urgent. Let your breath be your guide. You are not being weak or unproductive. You are listening with profound kindness to what your body and soul have been trying to tell you. And that is the greatest strength of all.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.